I'm Chris Gilmet, and I'm the Field Service Manager here at Vertical 6. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important file, misplaced a file, or even just have no idea where the file went, then you understand just how crucial it is that your data is continually being backed up so you can restore any or even possibly all of your files. If your devices are being backed up and something does happen to that device, whether it's damaged, corrupted, or inaccessible because of a virus, you will be able to restore all of your data onto brand new hardware. If you have not been backing up your data when disaster strikes, you will be forced to start from scratch. At Vertical 6, we encourage our clients to not only back up their information, but to also have a disaster recovery plan to ensure that their information is secure and that we're able to get their organization back to business as usual as soon as possible. If your files or devices are not being backed up, please reach out to us here at Vertical 6 to find out about your options.